guys, it's Tat Chanel and I'm back with another video. And if you're new here, please like and comment and subscribe. If you're old here, hey sis. Okay. Okay, y'all, today's video we're doing a lash inventory haul like I promised y'all. So I eventually did get my lashes all out. Here they go. This is not all, but this is the ones I got out. So these are my 25 milliliter lashes. They're the dramatic size ones. And up there I have my color lashes, and right here I have the butterfly lashes. So cute. Okay, so we're gonna do the dramatic lashes first. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, how am I gonna do this? Okay, I have 20, so 5. I don't need to order none yet. 6. I have another one on the back. On the right. 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. So I had to split them up. Or I'm gonna change this to 11. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do half sizes. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did I put 9 right there? Put 9. I put 9 right there. So we're gonna go with 9 for this one. So these are set. These are being counted. These are set to count. With my lashes, I probably start off with 10 lashes, like I'm doing my lip gloss. So that be that. I'm gonna sit here and let it marinate and ask y'all what y'all think these lash styles is next coming up. They threw it all up in there. Lord. So I'm trying to tell y'all. Yeah, my lashes with the yeah. So if y'all guess right, yes, these are the natural lashes. These lashes are y'all natural lashes. So I'm gonna show y'all. These are the natural lashes in the holographic case, silver, which is why I chose, because it's my brand business color. My brand business colors is silver. Silver, white, and black. The base brand is teal blue. That's why you don't see nothing teal blue, because that's my base colors. If you just saw me throw a lash, that's a discontinued lash style that I'm not selling, because the velvet. Okay, so these are the dramatic lashes. So why is they mixed in with my natural lash? I'm glad I'm sitting down here counting this with y'all, because those are my dramatic lash. So that's probably more than what I counted. And that's why I hate when I sit here and find out. Okay, let me find another one. Yep, there go another one. Those are fine. Those are fine. Okay. So since we X'd out that one, I'm gonna start with these. 6. Oh, I should have kept that. It was 6. Okay. Those 6 and the small ones. Oh, that's for dramatic lash. My bad. Natural lashes. Number 6. How many to order?
Oh, you ain't gone away yet, have you? Okay.
It's my aunt. Which I mean, I gotta boot it out. I'm making this all up. Because that's a good question. Because I said when I do start my business, and if I know these are going to sell, but if it was up to me, I can't tell you who I got these from. I'll tell y'all later. Sorry. 10. And the last one would be 9. And this is how I'm splitting them up. And I don't care what people say. Why are you counting them like that? This is how I'm counting them. This is how I want to split them up. These are my lash business. This is my lash brand. I would give them a unique name. No name should have to be G this, lash styles, number this, that. No. They're going to go by their names. That's how I'm doing my lashes. By names. Now, I got to do the color. Now, we're going to get down to the nitty gritty. Okay. Fluffy West with they are what style? I should have put color lash. Okay, here go the color ones. So we're gonna count color ones. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 4. 4. So yeah, 4. So I wrote all this down. So we have 10 color and 4 fluffy ones. Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. They been counting. Yeah, I don't know if I'm making this hard on myself. If I'm making it easy. Oh, because I haven't got the rest of them out. That's why, y'all. I haven't got the rest of them out. That can't hold no more. See, I need to find a home for these. Because these can't. I need to find a home for the rest of these lashes. Because it won't hold no more in it. And I'm not getting them out. But so far, the ones I counted was enough. So far what I counted was enough. And I don't want to make this video no more longer than what it is. So I'm going to stop right here. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be back for another video. Bye.